Week 2. Hello, this is Bonnie Smith. Each week you can find the due dates and times you need to complete in the weekly modules, the Canvas calendar, and in the syllabus. Today we're discussing what is due during week 2 of the class. As you can see on the syllabus, last week the following were all due: the Canvas orientation activity, syllabus quiz, and discussion 1. This week, week 2, you need to read chapter 1 from your textbook and watch the short videos and the presentation. The textbook and videos are located in my IT lab. I will explain how to get to them later in this video. Also due this Friday for week 2 is this my IT lab scavenger hunt activity, discussion 2 initial posting, and the Windows 10 lab and the chapter 1 quiz. If you've not registered for my IT lab yet, you will not be able to complete the lab or the quiz. In addition, by not registering for my IT lab, you are in jeopardy of being dropped from the class. And some students, by not completing week 1 assignments, may be dropped as no-shows. To get to the textbook and the videos, after going into my IT lab, select the e-text for Technology in Action from the main menu. Then click on the word Here, and the book will appear. Click on the menu icon, which looks like 3 lines. Then click on Expand down arrow next to Chapter 1. Click on the first menu item, Introduction, to start reading. To get to the videos, click on the menu icon, then Part 1. Click on the video to watch. You may need to install Flash Player to get the video to play. The second chapter video for Chapter 1 is located in Part 2 of the book. The audio PowerPoints are located in the course materials. Click on the Other Browser tab, then select Course Materials. Next, click on the Textbook PowerPoints folder to open it. Select Audio PowerPoints for Technology in Action. This document provides links to the videos. Click on Chapter 1. As there are no closed captioning, click on the Notes tab to see what is being said. And don't forget to watch the Windows overview located in the Canvas modules area. Goodbye.